of my adoring fans. You've been wondering how I make these wonderful book paper flowers. So I've decided I shall show you how. So what you're going to need is a glue gun. I lost my other one, so I'm using a mini glue gun. Some kebab skewers, and a book that nobody cares about. Who needs acknowledgements? You should just, in fact, rip them out. Now we got the phone stand, so it's a little bit less shaky. You take the pages out of the book. You need about maybe 4 or 5 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You're going to take the pages and you're going to fold 4 of them like this so that you make sort of like a triangle, like a square. And then you cut this part off. So now your pieces are going to look something like this with these squares. What you're going to do with these squares is that you're going to fold it like this. And you fold it in half again, corner to corner. Try to make a nice tip right here. And then you fold it again one more time. Like this. So that when you unfold it, it looks something like this. Separated into like 8 pieces. And you're going to do that with all 3 of the squares that you have. So you're going to end up with 4 triangles, 1 full page, and 4 of these little, maybe 1/3 pages, the remains of when you cut the square out of that one piece of paper. And what you're going to do is that you could take a pencil or something and draw from here to make it into a petal shape, but I'm just going to cut it. So, start from here. I didn't really cut that straight, so let me just go back and fix it. Try to make sure the edges line up in a straight line across from each other. Sorry, the camera's like right in front of me, so cross, and then you are going to take your second piece of triangle and you're going to line it up like this, just right on top of each other where the tips match, and you're just going to cut like that. And you're going to do that to these other 2 here. So when you're done cutting, this is going to be left over from when you cut your petals out, and you don't need that, so you can just brush that aside. So next step is you're going to take one of your petals and you're just going to snip, just like barely snip it off the tip, so that when you unfold it, it looks something like this, like a flower. Okay, the next thing you're going to want to do is that you're going to unfold your papers. So you're going to have about 4 of these. And what you're going to do is that you're going to cut 1 petal out of 1 circle, I guess. Just gonna want to cut that to the circle in the middle very carefully. I'm just gonna set this up there. So we have cut one. Now for the next flower, we're gonna cut off two, or cut out two, I should say. And we're just gonna put that next to now for this one, we're going to be cutting out 3. I suggest that when your flower is done, that you